Thank you very much for the opportunity to present CorporateSalon to the MBA track in technology leadership. Let's talk about the concept. We interact with many media elements, documents, videos on a daily basis. We discuss what we learn with others in discussion forums, blog posts, and sharing links to media. Good thoughts and findings about this media are dispersed in multiple platforms and applications. It's hard to find out what we thought, what they thought, just a little later. Imagine that you're trying to understand what we thought about something just a few weeks ago. It's very, very difficult to know. So we solve this problem and more. Conceptually, what we're doing is really leading into what we call social interpretation. So we think about someone digesting material as individual learning. Then you form personal opinions, we call them individual interpretations. You digest other people's opinions, we call them social learning. Now, if you aggregate all that data and interpret that, you can form a consensus. We call this social interpretation. So what our platform does is to develop the technology to aggregate, support this interaction, support the individual learning, support the individual interpretation, social learning, and social interpretation. So the product background, it's a CorporateSalon's patent pending technology from CMU, and it's a successor to Classroom Salon, which is a very popular platform in education with over 30,000 users. And CorporateSalon is platform agnostic. The technology will work with many primary and secondary platforms. The problem started as a research problem. What we thought was, how can we capture, aggregate, analyze, understand, comprehend, and interpret the learning content? And it was investigated by two researchers, Ananda Gunawardena and David Coffer from computer science and English departments. The funding came from many sources, from Google, National Science Foundation, Gates Foundation, and funding from ISEC Innovation, Carnegie Tech Transfer, and Qatar Foundation. There's a patent pending application, and the technology stack is cloud-based, Microsoft .NET technology, Microsoft SQL database, variety of technology like JavaScript, AngularJS. It's compatible with mobile and web deliveries, and it supports Firefox, Safari, and Chrome. What it does is to integrate with the existing content management systems or replace the existing content management systems, and we support documents and videos in the current version. We provide easy-to-use tools to build embedded teaching and training activities for corporate clients. So this is one of the different models that we are using. We allow the assessments to be embedded in opposed to having them separate. We track granular user interaction data. We aggregate and present insights into user and document interactions. Who communicates with whom in the context of a media element? What specific elements in the content, paragraphs or words or video frames, are the most discussed, and how? We provide multiple levels of analytics, user and document access charts, user document interaction networks. We provide deep insights into user behavior, like we track intangibles like engagement, curiosity, consistency, and helpfulness. The value proposition is that we extend or replace the existing content training management systems with a new contextualized content interaction paradigm, which is different from the current training management systems. The platform reduces the time to set up customized learning and training activities. The platform enhances user communication in the context of the media. It provides deep insights into user and media activities. Platform aggregates and archives prior annotation that significantly reduces the time to redeliver the same content. Platform aggregates and present knowledge hotspots that significantly reduces the time to find and comprehend important ideas. The Salon team consists of 4 of us. We're looking for, what we're focusing on right now is pharmaceutical sales training, for example, reducing the training cost, improving the outcomes, and so on, and also legal training. We are seeking help in identifying low-hanging fruits, refining the marketing message, branding the platform, and identifying and validating a business model. Thank you very much.